Hello everyone, today we unboxing with Levi Vintage made in USA. Let's see together. Yes, everyone see? It's Levi 501 made in USA. Red tape. Levi is nice. Next chin. Wow. Levi 501 88 made in USA. Everyone see in my hand. Yeah, so good. It's very special. Vintage chin. Levi USA. Levi 501 88. This is white tape. Levi. So good. Okay, next chin. Wow, what's that? Levi 501 made USA. It's a vintage chin. It's a Levi made 1995. So white tape. Let's go next chin. Wow, Levi 501 XX made in USA. Everyone. This white tape. Wow. Good. The last chin, which Levi 501 XX made in USA. USA. Very nice. Oh, it's red tape. So nice. Special vintage. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's go now. Let's see detail. Unboxing vintage Levi 501 XX made in USA. Yes, made from cartoon 100%. It's white tape, Levi logo, white tape. Wow, so good. So good. Very special. It's very cheap. Let's go to the next chin. Levi 501 XX again. The vintage chin, the special, the original vintage Levi 501 XX made in USA, made from cartoon 100%. This is white tape, Levi jean.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Let's go with the jean. Levi 501 the same. Me in USA. Vintage. Very nice, very special.
If I'm going with you, I we'll get to the other side.
vintage jean special.
Sinking in, I know this feels right.
Very nice.
Catching a breeze,
Boys. Also, jean and knitting. One more special percent. Levi 5018 made in USA from cartoon 100%. You want to see? Yes, the best quality. See how I take Levi. Special. Best jean quality. So good. Take from cartoon 100%. USA. Okay, let's see the last scene. Unboxing Vintage 501 made in USA. This 501 made USA. Overtake. So good. You want to see? Yes, the best. So good. It's best quality. Best jean vintage Levi 501. So good. Let's continue with the 5 jean Levi 501 made in USA. The vintage in the best quality. Yes, you want to see? Let's together. So good, best quality Levi 501. It's very nice, very special. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.